Hi, my name's Levi Rawlings and I'm a mining engineer at Maptek. I'm here to tell you that the truth can be hard to find, especially when it comes to your drill and blast data. Why? Because it's still common to rely on paper or spreadsheets for data collection. And when those get stored in different locations, how can you be expected to find what you need when you need it? Chances are good if you're a drill and blast engineer, you've likely been asked by your supervisor to justify your decisions. When that happens, it's not fun telling them that they have to wait for your reports because you need time to source the right data. The fact is, people don't like to wait for results in a fast-paced production environment. They expect to get reliable, data-driven answers fast. That's why it's time to put the pen and paper to rest and try something new. BlastLogic gives you the power to take control of your drill and blast data, digitally capture and store data in one single platform so that it's available when you need it most. The real beauty in having centralized data is being proactive with it. Data that's easier to access is easier to analyze and utilize. Use BlastLogic to make every blast better than your last. One source of truth, one blast management system, and one team to count on for help.